Clicko. I'm back from school. Today, our teacher said that we have to follow some do's and don'ts while in a computer room.
Yes, Rennie. We all have to follow some do's and don'ts in a computer room.
Are they, Clicko?
First of all, let us discuss about the do's in a computer room. Before entering a computer room, take off your shoes to maintain cleanliness. Then, maintain a queue to enter the computer room in order to avoid a crowded situation. Always keep silence inside the computer room so that you can concentrate on your work. The computers should be kept dust-free, neat and clean. It should be covered properly when not in use. The computer should always be switched off when not in use to avoid useless consumption of electricity. Let us now discuss about don'ts of a computer. First, while using a computer, do not press the computer keys roughly. It may damage the computer. Do not touch the main switch as electrical wires are connected to the computer. It can be dangerous as you might get an electric shock. Never eat or drink anything on the computer table, as food particles gets inside the computer parts and it may damage the computer. Always sit straight and maintain a proper distance from the computer screen so that your eyes are not harmed. Do not clean the computer or any of its parts with water, as water may damage the components of the computer. It should always be cleaned by a clean cotton cloth. Cover the computer of its parts when it is in use, as it generates heat. So, Rennie, if you follow these rules, your computer will remain in good working condition for a long time.
Yes, Clicko. I will always keep these do's and don'ts in my mind. Hi, Clicko. I'm back to know more about computers. Today, I want to know more about the keyboard.
Welcome back, Rennie. I have told you that the keyboard is one of the important parts of a computer. Do you remember what a keyboard is used for in a computer? Well, then the keyboard is a device which is used for typing in the computer. It contains many buttons on it, which are called keys. Do you know how many buttons are there on a standard keyboard?
Well, no.
There are 104 keys on a standard keyboard.
Yes, I can see alphabets and numbers on the keyboard.
Yes, the keyboard contains 26 alphabet keys from A to Z. We can type words and sentences in the computer using the alphabet keys. The number keys are also called the numeric keys. It consists of numbers from 0 to 9, which are the basic numbers. The numeric keys are used for typing numbers.
What are these arrow keys for, Clicko?
The arrow keys are called the directional keys to point to direction up, down, left and right. They are used to move the cursor in any direction on the computer screen.
Clicko, what are these keys on top of the keyboard? They are named from F1 to F12.
They are the functional keys. They are used to perform special jobs.
What are these two big keys which have enter written on them?
They are the enter keys. They are located at two places in the keyboard. The Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line while typing.
Which is the long key at the bottom of the keyboard?
That is the spacebar key. It is the longest key in the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space between letters or words while typing. Rennie, can you see the key on the left side of the keyboard which has caps locks written on it?
Yes, Kliko. What is it used for?
When you wish to type letters in the capital case, then you need to press this key first and then start typing. All the letters will appear in the capital case.
Yes. Now I know what most of the keys on the keyboard does. Thank you, Kliko. Kliko, what are you doing?
Hi Rennie, I have got some work to do on the computer, so I'm switching it on.
Gosh, I always want to know how to switch on the computer. At school, our teacher always switches on the computer. Can you teach me how to switch on the computer, Kliko?
Sure Rennie, I will tell you steps and you perform the steps.
Yes, Kliko.
First, remove all the covers from the computer and its devices. Now, switch on the main socket button on the switchboard.
Yes, I have pressed the switch on.
Now, switch on the UPS.
Yes, I have pressed the UPS button on. Look, a green light is glowing in the UPS.
Yes, the UPS has powered up now. Now, switch on the CPU power button.
Yes, I have pressed the power button on the CPU. I can hear a faint noise inside the box.
It is the CPU starting up. Now, switch on the monitor button.
Yes, I have switched it on. A green light is glowing, but nothing has appeared on the screen.
Relax, Rennie. It may take some time to show the main screen as the system is booting up.
Look, the computer screen desktop is appearing on the monitor.
Yes, the computer is starting up. Look, Rennie, this is the mouse pointer. It now looks like an hourglass. It means that the computer is busy and will need some time to start up. Now, the hourglass has changed to the arrow pointer. This means the computer is now ready. We can start working on it. Now, can you remember the steps how to turn on the computer?
Yes, Kliko. I can now always turn on the computer. Thank you for your help.
It's my pleasure to help you.
Oh, what should we do to turn off the computer? Should we just switch off the main socket switch?
No, Rennie. We should never switch off the computer directly. It may harm the computer. There are a number of steps you should follow to turn off a computer.
Please tell me the steps and I will switch off the computer.
Okay, first of all, click on Start or the Windows sign on the screen of the monitor. Look, it is located at bottom left corner of the screen.
I have clicked on it. A panel has appeared on the screen.
Can you see the shutdown option in the panel? Well, click on it.
Yes, I can see that. I have clicked on it.
Good. Now the computer will take a few minutes to turn off automatically. Look, the screen has now turned black. It means the computer is now turned off. The CPU also gets automatically turned off. So, we are not required to turn off the CPU. Now, switch off the monitor and after that switch off the UPS. And switch off the main power socket switch. Now, I hope you know how to switch on and off a computer.
Yes, I do now.
So, always remember these steps while turning on or off a computer.
Definitely, Kliko.